Are you looking to start an online business? Dropshipping might be the answer. In this video, we will give you a beginner's guide on how to make money online with dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means there is no need to store inventory or manage the shipping of products. To be successful in dropshipping, it's important to find a niche that has high demand but low saturation. This can be done by researching popular products on marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or AliExpress, and identifying areas that have potential for profitability. Choosing the right supplier is crucial for your dropshipping business. You want to find a supplier who offers high-quality products, fast shipping times, and competitive pricing. A good way to test suppliers is to order products and assess their performance before committing to a long-term partnership. Once you have your niche and supplier, it's time to set up your online store. Popular platforms for dropshipping include Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. It's important to create a visually appealing website with clear product descriptions and pricing. And don't forget about setting up payment processing and shipping options. The success of your dropshipping business depends heavily on your marketing efforts. Social media advertising, influencer marketing, and email marketing are all effective ways to reach potential customers. It's important to create a marketing plan and allocate a budget to ensure your efforts are targeted and effective. Dropshipping can be a lucrative and flexible online business model. By following the tips in this video, you can get started on your path to making money online with dropshipping.